Hey, if you want to unlock your Apple Watch Series 10 by using your iPhone, then start by opening Watch application on your iPhone, go into the My Watch, and start scrolling for passcode. Right now, you will have to go for this option, Unlock with iPhone, and you will have to turn it on. And you have to also enable the wrist detection. So now, input your passcode. Do this one more time. And right now it's finished. So basically this function allows you to unlock your iPhone. When you unlock your iPhone, then your Apple Watch will also unlock automatically. So that's how it works. But of course, you'll have to be sure that you are wearing actually your Apple Watch, because when you take it off from your wrist, or for example when you turn off the automatic wrist detection, then this function is not going to work anymore. So be sure that you enable this function right here at the bottom of the list. So this is the wrist detection. And that will be all. Thanks for watching.